How to convert Facebook friends into followers. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Facebook application. Now the next thing would be clicking on your profile icon at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you're going to be tapping on your name or your profile. Now as you can see, I have 5 friends in this account, and the next thing you want to do guys is to go to the 3 dots on your profile, click on it. Now you want to go over to where you see turn on professional mode. Now turning on professional mode automatically changes your friends to followers. Now you are going to be clicking on turn on, and then as you can see, there are some default settings that you would like to go through. If you want to change them, then that's fine. Now guys, after turning on my professional mode, as you can see, it says welcome to professional mode. You can see at the top where it was previously 5 friends, it's now 5 followers, and I'm following 2 people on this profile. And this is how easy it is to convert Facebook friends into followers. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.